Experience a city, coast and country itinerary suitable for groups of all sizes. Have hands-on encounters with native Australian animals. Experience Newcastle's stunning coastline and explore the impressive Worimi sand dunes. One of the Central Coast's main attractions is the Australian Reptile Park, a hands-on zoo home to exotic reptiles from around the world and a wide variety of Australian native animals. Enjoy live shows, themed exhibits and behind-the-scenes tours. The Hunter Valley boasts a wide range of restaurants and food options, from award-winning fine dining to cafes and local providore-style experiences. It's not all about the wine. The Hunter Valley also boasts a variety of microbreweries, distilleries and unique food products. Experience the magnificence of the largest mobile sand dunes in the Southern Hemisphere, the Worimi Sand Dunes on Stockton Beach. An exhilarating way to explore the dunes is to travel by off-road vehicle with Port Stephens four-wheel drive tours and glide down the 30-metre slopes on custom sandboards. Experienced instructors are on hand to assist. Travel with Moonshadow TQC to see the 140 bottlenose dolphins that call Port Stephens home. It's no wonder these friendly locals are sighted so often. From May to November, the waters off Port Stephens also play host to the magnificent migrating humpback whales. Newcastle Memorial Walk is the #1 attraction in Newcastle. Opened in 2015, it commemorates local men and women who served at war. The 450-metre walkway offers sweeping views of the city, ocean and beach, and is a popular spot for whale watching. Honeysuckle is one of Newcastle's most popular dining hotspots. Overlooking Newcastle's brilliant harbour, diners can watch the passing parade of harbour activity while enjoying beautiful cuisine and cocktails. Enjoy your fun-filled itinerary in as little as 2 to 3 days, or take your time and stay longer. With over 22,000 beds across the region, from global hotel brands such as Accor, Ridges and IHG, to self-contained apartments and boutique properties, there is something for everyone. Following your unforgettable city, coast and country experience, travel quickly and stress-free to Melbourne, Brisbane, Gold Coast, Adelaide, Sydney and beyond from Newcastle Airport.